Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. Per viewers' request, this week I'm going to share some acupressure points for motivation. When you have things you have to do but you just don't feel like doing it, try these points to get the energy you need. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply.
The first one is called Kidney 1, and it's located on the sole of your foot in the center at the edge of the ball of foot where the color changes. The direct translation of this point is bubbling springs, and it helps to revive the energy. Press with overlapped thumbs. You can also step on a golf ball to stimulate this point. The second one is below the knee. This is called Stomach 36. Find the hollow space under the kneecap. It's 4 finger width below and 1 thumb from the shin bone on the outside. There's a distinct feeling. Press with a hook thumb, overlap thumbs, or with the heel of the other leg once you know the location. The third one is on your pinky. It's in the center of the first joint line. It is not on the major meridian, but the letters mean kidney point. Stimulate this point by pressing or circling between the thumb and index finger. In order to get things done, I also recommend thinking about the consequence of not doing it. If that doesn't work, try 3 seconds rule, which I recently learned. Simply, you start counting 3, 2, 1 and just do it. This doesn't give your brain time to think about why you shouldn't do it or come up with excuses. It's very simple but powerful. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.